How to register for a course. Head to our website tertiarycourses.com.sg. On the search bar, search for the course you are interested in. Click on the course you want to register for. You may check the course details here. To check for the available fundings for the course, scroll down to the gray box. There is a course booking section on the right side. Select your preferred mode of training and the course date. You may select the number of participants if more than one. Type of sponsorship, self-sponsored or employer-sponsored. If there is more than one participant, please key in the email address and name of the participants in this column. Proceed to register your interest. Click on Proceed to register. It will bring you to another page. Continue to check out Next Guest. You will have to fill in your details. If you are under employer-sponsored, fill in the company name. Once you have filled in your details, click on Continue to proceed. Select the payment method of funding. You do not have to make payment first. After that, click on Continue. The course fee shown is before funding. If applicable, we will apply the grant and send you the invoice with the net fee after funding. After you are done, click on Submit Course Registration. Once your registration is successful, you will get an order number and a copy of the order form will be sent to the email address you have registered with. If you have any inquiry about rescheduling, do drop us an email at inquiry@tertiaryinfotech.com with your order number and we will get back to you. Thank you.